Technology is so important to older people and to the aging process because nobody can live without technology anymore. Technology gives you access to expanding your social life and creating a greater community. It gives you access to information you may need, everything on financial to housing to medical. It gives you access to programs so that you can learn new things. It gives you an opportunity to contribute. You can show other people what you have learned and share that knowledge with them. You can do telehealth meetings with your doctor, and you can get access to the supplies and services, groceries, everything that you need. So it's indispensable to life. And we're all coming to technology at different speeds and different experiences, even different emotional and mental approaches to it. Some people are intimidated by it because it's new and it's vast. Other people have more comfort with it. One thing that is very nice about the GSU classes and programs is that it understands that people are going to be coming to their programs with a range of experience. Some people know a lot and they want to know even more about some of the things that they're doing with their technology. Some people are just starting out. Whatever the range of your experience is, GSU will have something for everyone.